Try these top 50 UNIX Commands MCQs. Let's begin. Question 1. Which command displays the current working directory? A. pwd, B. is, C. cd, D. where. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. pwd. Question 2. Which command changes the current directory? A. pwd, B. cd, C. mv, D. cp. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. cd. Question 3. Which command creates an empty file? A. touch, B. cat, C. nano, D. echo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. touch. Question 4. Which command removes a file? A. erase, B. delete, C. remove, D. rm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. rm. Question 5. Which command copies files? A. mv, B. cp, C. copy, D. clone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. cp. Question 6. Which command renames or moves a file? A. rename, B. cp, C. mv, D. shift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. mv. Question 7. Which command displays the contents of a file? A. cat, B. show, C. type, D. display. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. cat. Question 8. Which command displays the first 10 lines of a file? A. tail, B. head, C. more, D. less. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. head. Question 9. Which command displays the last 10 lines of a file? A. head, B. cat, C. more, D. tail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. tail. Question 10. Which command searches for a pattern inside a file? A. grep, B. find, C. search, D. scan. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. grep. Question 11. Which command searches for files in the file system? A. grep, B. locate, C. find, D. where. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. find. Question 12. Which command sorts lines in a text file? A. unique, B. sort, C. arrange, D. order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. sort. Question 13. Which command removes duplicate adjacent lines? A. unique, B. sort, C. cut, D. paste. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. unique. Question 14. Which command counts lines, words, and characters? A. count, B. wc, C. sum, D. calc. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. wc. Question 15. Which command compares two text files line by line? A. cmp, B. compare, C. diff, D. grep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. diff. Question 16. Which command changes file permissions? A. chmod, B. chown, C. chgrp, D. permit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. chmod. Question 17. Which command changes file ownership? A. chmod, B. owner, C. chown, D. group. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. chown. Question 18. Which command changes the group ownership of a file? A. chmod, B. chgrp, C. chown, D. groupmod. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. chgrp. Question 19. Which command displays the current logged-in user? A. Who am I? B. Who? C. Users. D. Login. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Who am I? Question 20. Which command lists all logged-in users? A. Who, B. ID, C. User, D. Who am I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Who. Question 21. Which command shows the system date and time? A. Date, B. Clock, C. Time, D. Uptime. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Date. Question 22. Which command displays system uptime? A. Date, B. Uptime, C. Time, D. Clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Uptime. Question 23. Which command displays running processes? A. Jobs, B. Top, C. PS, D. PROC. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. PS. Question 24. Which command provides a dynamic view of system processes? A. PS, B. Jobs, C. Watch, D. Top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. Top. Question 25. Which command terminates a process by its process ID? A. Kill, B. Stop, C. Exit, D. Quit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Kill. Question 26. Which command shows disk usage by directories? A. df, B. du, C. disk, D. space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. du. Question 27. Which command shows available file system space? A. du, B. disk, C. df, D. space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. df. Question 28. Which command displays free memory on Unix systems that support it? A. RAM, B. Memory, C. Free, D. MEM. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Free. Question 29. Which command displays online manual pages? A. Help, B. Manual, C. MAN, D. Info. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. MAN. Question 30. Which command prints the shell's command history? A. Log, B. History, C. Past, D. Commands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. History. Question 31. Which command prints the hostname of the system? A. Hostname, B. Host, C. Uname, D. DNS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Hostname. Question 32. Which command displays kernel information? A. Kernel, B. sysinfo, C. Uname, D. Version. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Uname. Question 33. Which command extracts selected fields from each line? A. Cut, B. Paste, C. Split, D. Join. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. Cut. Question 34. Which command merges lines from multiple files? A. Join, B. Paste, C. Merge, D. Cat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. Paste. Question 35. Which command displays environment variables? A. env, B. vars, C. export, D. set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. env. Question 36. Which command clears the terminal screen? A. cls, B. clear, C. reset, D. clean. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. clear. Question 37. Which command displays all running jobs with their job numbers? A. jobs, B. ps, C. top, D. bg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. jobs. Question 38. Which command resumes a stopped job in the foreground? A. jobs, B. bg, C. fg, D. kill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. fg. Question 39. Which command resumes a stopped job in the background? A. jobs, B. fg, C. kill, D. bg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. bg. Question 40. Which command pauses execution for a specified number of seconds? A. wait, B. delay, C. sleep, D. pause. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. sleep. Question 41. Which command waits for background jobs to complete? A. wait, B. jobs, C. nohup, D. sync. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. wait. Question 42. Which command executes a command at regular intervals and displays its output? A. repeat, B. watch, C. cron, D. loop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. watch. Question 43. Which command determines the type of a file? A. type, B. stat, C. kind, D. file. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. file. Question 44. Which command displays the absolute path of a command executable? A. find, B. which, C. where, D. locate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. which. Question 45. Which command is used to display or set the system hostname? A. host, B. hostname, C. uname, D. DNS. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. hostname. Question 46. Which command synchronizes cached file system data to disk? A. flush, B. save, C. sync, D. write. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. sync. Question 47. Which command displays the calendar for the current month? A. calendar, B. date, C. month, D. cal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. cal. Question 48. Which command displays today's date in calendar format? A. cal, B. date, C. today, D. clock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is A. cal. Question 49. Which command displays the login name of the current user? A. login, B. logname, C. who am I, D. users. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B. logname. Question 50. Which command displays the effective user ID and group ID? A. groups, B. who am I, C. users, D. ID. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. ID. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes.